Hello and welcome to Steampunk Abyss, Devlog number 4. We're actually super excited. We're going to show you guys how we add a new weapon to the game. We actually did tweet out and post on a couple different social media and our Discord, asking you guys what you guys thought this weapon here did. We got some responses and we decided to go with this tweet here, and we're going to add it to the game real quick, just to show you how the system works. I'm actually super excited. This description fits the way the gun looks, I think, personally. So I'm excited to show you guys uh, how we can make this happen. So first I need to go into my obs real quick. I gotta change my... There we go, the Infinity Vortex. So as you'll notice, this is a different PC than I normally record on, so it's still working on getting everything installed. I usually have Excel and it's usually activated. Uh, but for now, we're gonna use the Google Docs. And so yeah, this is a list of a bunch of weapons. These are the ones we're for sure adding to the game. We have a bunch more that work, but these are the ones that we're sure on, and the weapons are nothing like what they'll actually be. These are all placeholder names. So we're actually going to give this one a placeholder name real quick. We're going to call it Fireboy. We're going to make it Ancient Tier because it's going to be pretty powerful, I think, just based on what its ability to do. Right now we're just doing default values, so we can focus on testing the weapon's behaviors, and then we'll do the balancing of the damage and such later. We're going to give it the burning trait. That will make it so it lights enemies on fire. And we're going to give it the explode. Let's go B. That's a more powerful one, and since it's ancient tier, I think it will be decently balanced. The behavior actually needs to be adjusted. I already know that. But that's not too bad. Okay, so we're going to download it real quick. Save as. Get rid of this. Yes. Okay, so that's the first step. This is now in the file. Now we just got to get it into the actual game's code. Let's go to the vortex again. Turn this on. I actually forgot to do that once. It sucked. Okay, so first things first, let's add it in the new loot table. Insert included file. We're going to use that one we just downloaded, which is right here. We need to give it a sprite, so we're going to create sprite. I do it this way. It's not the optimal way. I do it this way mostly because I've accidentally deleted all of our sprites before, and then I had to roll back, and it's just a pain. So I do it slightly longer than is most efficient, which some people probably will get annoyed at me seeing me do this. Let's go with 84. We're going to resize it real quick so that it fits this is the size that it would normally be, but the inventory sprite display is slightly bigger. So that will be the base one. Come over here. We're going to add it to the newest one, so it's going to be at the bottom. In the future, right now the list is sorted by the quality. We're not going to do that in the future just because it has no effect on anything. It was just for organization in the early thing, but when we add new guns, we just stick them on to the end, which is why the system is super nice. I think there's only one more thing to do, which is test the weapon. So we got to hook it up so that we can actually acquire it. I'm actually going to add, as you can see, this is a lot uglier in the developer, view. Creation code. It's actually, oh, I forgot. There is one other thing we have to do first. We have to actually give it, give it a value. So we're gonna go Fireboy equals 80. Whoops, don't need that. Okay. That should be it. Now we just have to finish changing this. It's gonna be that -1. I have it this way just so I can enter it manually. I don't want to. Yeah, there's some math involved that I keep having to change, so that's why it's that way for now. I think it should work now. I think that is everything. Let me change this back to there. And this one. Yeah, here we go. This is the test one. As you can see, it's here now. Oops. Okay, there we are. And we're gonna. Oh, so yeah, it automatically changed this slot to that one because this was what the test one. Okay, let's test it. Enemies lit on fire and the bullets explode. The explosion actually should cause damage, as you can see. I'm gonna change these so they don't go as far. I'm gonna give them a lifetime. Just to make it so you can't really, shoot around corners. I might make them invisible just as, like, I don't know. I haven't decided how I'm handling the explosive behavior yet, but yeah. So as we see, we got, oh, yay. Okay, I'll have to fix that. That's 2 videos in a row. Oh, that's always fun. Yeah, so that's how we add a new gun. So yeah, now the Fire Boy, new ancient tier, way overpowered. Not to worry, that will that will change in the future. But yeah, I think that's it. There's not much else to add today. I didn't really want to. We're planning on doing a bonus video, so for now we're gonna stop talking about the lore in these for a few videos until we get that ready. We got a big kind of lore trailer coming, I guess. And so yeah, we're gonna end it here. Fixed a couple of bugs. I'll have this build up today. We'll be able to test this new weapon that you guys got added to the game. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.